Here's a story about a boy and his bot, a robot. A boy was collecting pine cones in his wagon when he met a robot. How fun. Hi, said the boy. Want to play? The robot blinked. Affirmative. They played. They had fun. But as they rolled down the hill, the rock bumped the robot's power button switch, and the robot turned off. What's wrong? Asked the boy. The robot didn't answer. Are you sick? Asked the boy. The robot still didn't answer. I must help him, said the boy. He took the robot home. The boy fed him applesauce. He read him the story. He tucked him into bed. Good night, Bot, said the boy, and climbed into bed. What's going on with the robot? Later, the boy's parents peeked in on him, and they did not see the bot behind the door. The door bumped into the bot's power switch. Beep! The bot turned on. What is wrong? Asked the bot. The boy didn't answer. Did you malfunction? The bot asked. The boy still did not answer. I must help him, said the bot. What's wrong with the boy? Is he sleeping? And the bot's never seen somebody sleep before. He took the boy home, gave him oil. He read the boy an instruction manual. He was bringing him a spare battery when the inventor walked in. Stop, said the inventor. This is a boy. Does he need a battery? He does not. The boy woke up. Then he saw the bot. The boy smiled. Bot, you're cured. The boy lit up. Boy, you are fixed, said the inventor. The inventor called the boy's parents. They drove the boy home. Good night, Bot, said the boy. Good night, boy, said the bot. Want to play tomorrow? The boy nodded. Affirmative. That means yes. And the friends did. Sometimes friends need things that are different from what we need, but that's okay. Bye, friends.